Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to prepare this nutritious baby food. Okay, my baby is just recovering from an ill health. Okay, he was just teething, and then this teething of a thing dealt with him so badly, so he's just recovering. And then I decided to prepare this to help him out. Okay, so this nutritious baby food is going to take your time. Okay, to take your time, but then it's worth it. Okay, so this is my guinea corn and this is my soya bean. And then when you're preparing this, make sure that you prepare it in a very neat way, because you need to, this is what you're giving your baby, right? Next thing I have here is my rice. Okay, this is optional if you want to use the rice or not. I don't have wheat around because that's another thing I always use, but then I have my rice. I'm using my rice, and this is that for sweetener. You can also use this more than this, but this is the quantity I'm using for this. Okay, and my granules, this granite I'm going to be using half of this. I'm not going to be using all of this. And then all these ingredients I'm using, the next thing will be to select each and every one of it. Okay, this is my beans. This is also optional. Like if your baby has a soft stomach, then please don't use these beans, only use the soya beans. Okay, so but here is my yellow corn. I have about 2 cups of yellow corn. I will be listing the quantity I'm using, right? And this is my crayfish. This is my crayfish, and this, the next thing here is my tiger nuts. Okay, after my tiger nut, I also have my plantain. Plantain is another thing that I always use when I'm preparing this tom brown for my baby. Okay, so the next thing is to select each and every one of it, and then this plantain I will slice it for sun. Okay, I will just sun it out after sliding and after washing and slicing it. So I'm actually selecting the corn, okay, and the beans, all the grains. I'm going to be selecting, removing all the dirt. Then I wash. Okay, yes, you need to wash to get rid of all the dirt from it. And then I cook each one, all the grains except the beans, the tiger nuts, and the dirt, and the crayfish. Okay, these are the things I didn't cook, but every other things I cooked them for like 10 to 15 minutes. Especially the soya bean, I cooked the soya bean up to 15 minutes. Okay, and here it is soft. We can now wash it and remove the peel. I wash very well, and then my that I now slice it like this, and here it is. Okay, I just sun them out for like 3 days, depending on how the sun is. Okay, based on how the sun is. So I sun it for 3 days to get all of them dried up. Okay, my soya bean, after washing it very well, removing all the peel. Okay, and washing my beans the same way. So I now sun everything, and here it is. After sunning is dried, I'm now trying to fry each one. I'm frying all the grains, but then I fry the soya bean until it's golden brown. I find every other thing like just 5 minutes frying. Okay, but then the soya bean and the corn, I fried it until it's about like more about 5 minutes frying. Okay, this is my baby here watching me. Okay, so next thing I'm just doing is just frying, even including the crayfish. I just fried it a little because I'm about to go to grind everything together. That's it. The mixture is ready, including the plantain. I've grind everything. If you have blender at home, you can grind it at home, but I just went out to grind this because I don't have a good blender that will blend this together. Okay, to get me the mixture I want. Okay, so this is it. After sieving, I'm now packaging it. My baby food is ready. This is not actually for my baby only. I'm also using this. I'm also eating this. This is so rich, but then like I said earlier, this is how you prepare it. Okay, just turn it with cold water and place it on the fire. That's what I did, and turn until it's ready. My baby is here enjoying it. So that's just how you prepare it. You actually turn it with cold water, place it on the fire, okay, and keep turning until it's like this. That's why I said the groundnut, you don't use much of it so that it will come out this way. Okay, so the baby food is ready and he has enjoyed it. He made sure to finish everything. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you guys like the next video, subscribe. Okay, like the video, share, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.